Hey everyone, today I am Austin Burnett, an undergraduate in computer science at the University of Kentucky and a research assistant in the Digital Humanities REU group funded by the Chellgren Foundation. My research on the project pertains to the Classics and Translations web resource, which is associated with the Society for Classical Studies. The goal of the project is to offer users an online resource for researching translations of ancient Greek and Latin texts. To start, we focused on the basics, the database and search. I'll first show you how we get the project up and running. So as you can see up here, I have Docker, and we're going to go to the dashboard, and then we can see our Postgres and SOLR containers. We're just going to start both of those. Then get this out of the way. And then you pick your IDE of choice, which in this case is PyCharm. And this is the project right here. So I will type this command. And we can see that it is a success. So anytime that we want to stop the server, we'll just press Control-C. Now we can open it up. And here is our project. I'll start with the first page, which is the register page. And you can see that we have a couple of different text fields here where users can come here and sign up with a username, an email, and a password. And we just try to make it really convenient. So next, I'll take you over to the login page, and you can see from the page before that users who have registered can, simply log in here. And if you don't have an account, you can see here with the highlighted blue hyperlink, we can click this and it'll just go back to the register page and we'll get you registered. So for one of the coreless parts of the project, we have our search feature. So right now, the project had a hiccup and it's not connected to the database. So I will show you an image of how it's supposed to look. These things happen in development. So we have a really cool search functionality using SOLR. And you can see here, user has typed Ovid and it has brought up all the different cases here. It's a really smart search functionality, and it's very, very efficient. And I'll show you another example. Here we can see the searches. We just want to make it extremely fluid and very convenient for the users to find whatever they need to. We also have a neat little feature here. So this is really cool. We implemented this around December, so it's around the holiday time. So to keep the spirit going, I'll click this, and as we can hear, there is Christmas music. Now I'll refresh this to keep the presentation going. So for the next page, we have the insert page. So this page will allow users to enter a numerous round of fields and insert these translations into the database. And as you can see here, we can also choose to upload a file and submit that. Now for the last couple of pages, this is the About page, which is still in progress. So the About page will essentially just tell what we're about at the UKD Digital Humanities Research for Undergraduates, and sort of what we do, and just a summarization of the project. And like I said, this is currently under development. So for the last page, I will go to the people page. So again, this is also a work in progress. Here we will see all of our employees associated with the project. So this will be the staff at UK, images of all our current employees and staff, and from everyone at the University of California, Irvine. So a neat feature of this, as you can see just now, that this carousel will automatically scroll through and will just show you all of the images of our staff. Well, that is it for the project. I hope you enjoyed it. Right now, we are working on cleaning up all the UI and the experience, better CSS, and implementing audio files for users to submit recordings of translations. And eventually, we want to add more complex functionality for user contributions. For example, we want them to contribute their own translations and critical notes that discuss existing translations. We also want the Classics and Translation resource to be the one place to go for learning and research on translations of Greek and Latin text. And here we can see we will go ahead and click Control C, and that will stop our website. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.